welcome to this week's episode of Building D-Range. Today we're going to be trying to install some of the 4x4 poles, the poles that are going to go basically back here on the backstop of the range, where we're going to put some sand and some other things in there. So stay tuned, check it out, let us know what you think. If you like it, if you don't like it, either way, we need you to subscribe. We're having some people view our videos, but nobody's subscribing to the channel. We need the channel subscriptions to continue to do what we do. Let us know, comment below, send us a thumbs up, give us some thumbs up, send us some thumbs down if you don't like it. Let us know what's up, let us know what's going on, give us some comments so we can get things like you want it to get. And as always, remember to like, share, subscribe to this channel. It's what prevails, what makes us good, what makes us getting better content every time. Welcome back, folks. So today we're going to head to Lowe's and start getting some supplies and some materials we need for building the range. Don't know how much stuff we'll get, don't know how much stuff they have. I've already checked one place and they didn't have what I needed, but we're going to continue on. So like, share, and subscribe. We're going to give you the footage of building the range and go through the process and kind of show you what it takes and what we're going to do, and we may come back and change some stuff afterwards. It's all going to kind of depend on what we decide to do later on. But either way, stay tuned, stick with us, enjoy this episode. Well, we're working on it once again. Cutting this trailer down, getting stuff off of it. We're getting everything going. So for too long, maybe you'll get to see D-Range. Welcome back to another windy day of building the range. Yes, it's got cold. It was hot yesterday. It's cold today. Welcome to North Carolina. Right, what you got behind me? This is your what I'm gonna do for a backstop, not for the bullet, but for the sand. I'm gonna try to keep the sand from eroding. A lot of people have issues with putting a mound of sand down and it erodes, and you got to get a lot of sand to make it really tall like you want it, and we want this a certain height, so this is what we're gonna do. Basically what you got is the structure. When I get through with this structure, I'm gonna line it with metal. It's got a back bracing on it. It's gonna have more back bracing on it. I'm gonna put some railroad ties in it, maybe even some light pole style poles I'm gonna put in it, and then we're gonna bring the sand up to it and mount it up and try to get the sand at least 7 feet, if not 8 feet tall, in spots anyhow. And then we're gonna put some erosion control down at the bottom, and then we're gonna put some stuff on the sand, hopefully to keep the sand from eroding so bad. But either way, stay tuned, like, share with your friends, subscribe, and let's get this party going. Home on the range, huh? Yep. Peace. This episode is episode 2 of building the range. We've got a few things that we've accomplished since last time. You may like it. I'll show you a little bit in the background. Yep. You're not going to understand. I know you're not going to understand, and I'm going to have some haters saying whatever they're saying, but we're basically building this as a backstop for the sand, not for the bullets. Once we get it going, get it in there like it's supposed to be, we will Let me turn this camera around. But basically right through the middle there is going to be the high powered shooting area. We'll have sand, and the sand to come out about 8 feet from it. And we'll be able to do a bunch of cool stuff once we get through with the design. There's still other structures that's got to be built here and things like that. But once we get all that done, you know, we'll be in good business, good shape. We got to stack some more ties. We got an issue with some ties, so we got to get some more bolts, lag bolts, and put these things together and get them like they ought to be. There's going to be at least 4 more there, and we may end up coming back putting a second wall of them there. Sand will be here. There'll be something off this corner here coming up 8 feet. Something off this corner coming up 8 feet, and then sand will be basically 8 feet out and taper up towards the top. So hopefully y'all will enjoy the content that we're bringing you here at You Got It, D Range. Peace.